Google Photos is changing 3 big new features every user should know. Google Photos is changing, and budding smartphone photographers will be desperate to get their hands on some exciting new features. At the Google I/O Developer Conference, Google announced that the Google Photos app is to get a slew of upgrades that make it even more useful. The San Francisco giant is using machine learning and groundbreaking AI in order to make interacting with photos easier than ever. These 3 new features are the highlights that you really should make a note of. Automatic facial recognition. It will be easier than ever to share photos with the people that feature in them thanks to this clever new technology. Google Photos will use facial recognition to group together photos of the same people, and even better, it will then put those photos in a folder, making albums quick and easy to send. Based on your previous actions, the app will recognize the person in the photos and offer to send them a link. You will also be able to set up shared libraries. These will notify members when new photos are added and save each photo to each member's personal library. Light enhancement. AI will be able to suggest instant improvements to your photos. The app will make suggestions such as changing a photo's brightness or altering the contrast, and you will be able to enact these changes with a single tap. These suggestions will vary from photo to photo based on what the AI sees in each one. Colourisation and selective desaturation. New filters will also offer even greater control over the look of your photos. ColourPop will selectively desaturate the background of an image but leave the subject in full color, while the AI-powered app will also be able to colorize black and white photos. Improved AI was a feature of the I/O conference. Away from Google Photos, Gmail is also getting a big upgrade which uses machine learning as part of a clever feature called Smart Compose. This extension of Google's existing predictive technology will see Gmail automatically provide suggestions to complete emails based on your writing habits and commonly used language. This will enable the app to finish emails for you as you type. Elsewhere, Google also released more details about its next-generation Android P OS. Although we still don't know what the P stands for, we do know that the OS, now available via Google's beta program, will come with a swathe of changes designed to fit users' needs. An adaptive battery system will pay attention to which apps you use most and then prioritize use, while even more machine learning will power an improved automatic brightness function. This will be able to predict your preferences based on regular use. Beyond that, Google has been emphasizing moves to make your phone less intrusive. Wind down mode will help disengaging from a phone at night, whilst users will be able to access a detailed new dashboard which will show exactly how much each apps are being used.